Hi guys, once again Mr. ATC for another idea of housing, and this video is going to be very different from the other DIY project I usually do. And I'm excited to announce that I'm going to do a Christmas contest for you for a chance to win your Wallabout DIY device, a Bosch electric screwdriver, and also this Bluetooth speaker, and much more, as you can see just right here. It's Christmas time, right? And to thank you for all your support so far, because let's be honest, you've been supporting me since the beginning of this channel. And for this support, I've decided to organize a Christmas contest for you, the lovely fans. So, I will be leaving different links below, of course, according to the different languages you speak. All you got to do is click on the link in the video description, or just here if you're already joining via the sign up page, and it's gonna show you exactly how to register and enter the contest. And you know what? I was trying very hard to find the right product for you. And one of the good things is that they are all coming from partners and sponsors working together in order to give you another idea of housing. You will find also links from each of them in the video description, so feel free to check them out. So now, don't wait too long, go to the link and sign up to enter our Christmas contest, and I will be announcing the winners on Sunday the 23rd of December. What a gift, huh? What a gift! So now, you know what's coming. We are giving all this away using the UpViral contest app, which is also in the video description. And all you've got to do is to register, enter the contest, and then gain 8 points. And with some easy way, yeah? Like following us on Instagram, subscribing to our YouTube page, or even sharing with your friends. Because you know, this is exactly what's helping us to make even more DIY videos for you every week. And for all the people that have reached the 8 points, we will be randomly picking up the 10 winners. Don't forget that the first prize is a Wallabout DIY device to help you to see through your wall, so you don't drill in the wrong place. As you have been seeing me showing you in some of the past videos, this device is amazing. So I have at least to share one with you. I want to thank you so much for watching this video today, and I will see you again pretty soon for another nice DIY video at my ATC TV. I'll see you soon!